Let's start coloring by learning the names of color. So here is green color, here is pink color, purple color, yellow color, red color, orange color, blue color, and the last one is red color, again red color. Now let's color the jeep. So what sound does a jeep make? A jeep goes. How many jeeps can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 jeeps.